juggling work, relationships, and family, and our own personal goals, it's no wonder we sometimes feel a little overwhelmed. So I'm partnering with Adobe to show you how prioritizing our mental health and making space for ourselves is so important. Just over here, sitting under a tree. I have lately been really looking for just peace and serenity in the city. Living downtown New York can be so fun, gives me so much energy, but at the same time, it can get pretty overwhelming. I have been coming to Central Park a lot more lately. I've been really enjoying like walking and going on long walks around here, especially like without any music or podcast playing or anything. So here we are under this beautiful tree, and this is where I'll be for a little bit. Getting to be outside and in nature does wonders for my mental health. Being in such a busy and energetic environment all the time is great because it feeds my creativity, my motivation, but it also can get a little bit too much sometimes. So intentionally placing myself in simple and quiet environments has really made such a difference. I have access to Headspace through my Creative Cloud membership, so meditation, sitting still, making space are all things that I want to make more time for. It allows me to be truly present and quiet all the noise. Getting to just be creative and participate in some type of creative form just for having fun is quite rare because of the work that I do. And because of that, I always find myself not really playing into my creativity outside of work, and I really want to start doing that more. So right now I am in Brooklyn, made my way out here because we are headed to a little art cafe. I'm excited to have a little solo creative date with myself and put in some like jazz music or something and just really enjoy myself, be there for a few hours, let myself get in the creative flow. It's gonna feel really nice. That was honestly so lovely. I had such a great time. I didn't even realize the time went by so fast. As you can tell, it's raining a little bit. It's a very cozy day. It was like the perfect activity, but it made me a little bit hungry. So I think I'm gonna head over to somewhere in this area and grab a bite to eat. I don't know what it is about eating alone or dining alone that makes me feel more in touch with myself. It puts me in this position that even though uncomfortable, it feels important just being able to do things alone. I really think the older we get, the more we tend to take things a little too seriously. And I want to let go of that seriousness a little and let myself be creative without it having to be good or cool, but simply for fun. I want to start thinking of art making and being creative as a form of therapy. Taking a break, getting in a fun creative flow can feel so good and meditative. I think we could all benefit from adding a bit of both to our daily lives. Wow, it's been a day. I feel so good. I feel so just like relaxed, but I'm also ready to get home because it's getting pretty rainy out here, so I'm gonna make my way home. Had such a lovely day. Giving myself permission to rest is something I'm still learning how to do, but remember, making space isn't selfish, it's essential. So make sure you're taking care of yourself, and if you're a Creative Cloud member, you can also get 1 year of Headspace for free at the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.